Welcome to Learn English. Enjoy easy lessons, vocabulary, and grammar, and speak English with confidence. Subscribe and start your English journey today.
Comment below. What did you learn from this video, and what kind of English lesson would you like to see next? Your comments help us create better videos for you.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Learn English channel. How are you today? If you want to improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence, you are in the right place. Just listen carefully, repeat the useful sentences, and enjoy the learning process. Today, I am here with Sophia, and we are going to talk about one very common English mistake. I am agree or I agree.
Hello, everyone. I'm very happy to be here today. And yes, this is a very useful topic because many English learners make this mistake.
Sophia, let me ask you a simple question. Do you agree that English can sometimes be confusing?
Yes, I agree. English can definitely be confusing sometimes.
Excellent. You already used today's correct sentence.
Oh, I did?
Yes, you said, I agree.
Not I am agree.
Exactly.
But why do so many learners say I am agree?
That's exactly what we're going to explain today.
Great. I think this lesson will be very helpful.
I agree with you.
There it is again.
Yes, we are going to hear that sentence many times today.
Perfect. Let's make this lesson simple and fun.
Absolutely. We won't use difficult grammar.
And if you have made this mistake before, don't worry.
Making mistakes is a normal part of learning English.
I completely agree.
Great. Let's start with the most important question.
What is the correct sentence?
I agree.
And the incorrect sentence is I am agree.
Exactly.
So today we need to understand one small word. Agree.
Yes, the word agree is a verb.
A verb.
Yes, a verb is a word that describes an action or state.
Like eat, go, work, and study.
Exactly.
So agree is also a verb.
Yes, agree is a verb.
That makes things much easier.
It does. And because agree is a verb, we normally say, I agree.
I agree.
Again.
I agree.
Excellent.
But why do so many learners say I am agree?
One reason is that English learners often learn sentences like I am happy, I am tired, and I am ready.
Right.
So they may think I am agree follows the same pattern.
Ah, I see.
But there is an important difference.
What is the difference?
Happy, tired, and ready are adjectives.
But agree is a verb.
Exactly.
Now I understand.
And by the end of today's lesson, you will feel very comfortable using I agree. Part 2. Understanding I agree. Sophia, let's imagine a simple situation.
Okay.
I say, English is important.
I agree.
Perfect.
What if I want to say more?
You can say, I agree with you.
I agree with you.
Very good.
What does agree with you mean?
It means that your opinion is the same as the other person's opinion.
So if you say something and I have the same opinion, I can say I agree with you.
Exactly.
Let's try another one.
I think learning English every day is a good habit.
I agree with you.
Excellent.
I can also say I completely agree with you.
Yes, that's a great sentence.
Is completely important?
It is useful, but it is not necessary.
So I agree is enough.
Exactly.
I agree.
Simple and correct.
And much better than I am agree.
Much better.
Can we use I agree in many situations?
Yes, you can use it in daily conversations, at school, at work, with friends, and with family.
Let's hear some examples.
Sure. I think this restaurant has great food.
I agree.
I think this movie is very funny.
I agree.
Walking is good exercise.
I agree with you.
English listening is important.
I completely agree.
Practice makes you better.
That's true. I agree.
Great.
These are very easy sentences.
Yes, that's why this expression is so useful for beginners.
Can we use I agree with a person?
Yes.
For example, I agree with Daniel. I agree with Daniel.
Good.
Continuing, I agree with my teacher.
Perfect.
I agree with my friend.
Excellent.
I agree with my parents.
Very good.
So we often use agree with when talking about a person.
Correct.
Can we also agree with an idea?
Yes.
For example, I agree with this idea.
Perfect.
I agree with this plan.
Excellent.
I agree with your opinion.
Very good.
So remember this simple pattern. Agree with someone or agree with something.
That's a very useful pattern. Part 3. Why I am agree is wrong.
Daniel, let's talk about the big mistake now.
Okay, here it is.
I am agree.
No.
I knew you would say that.
Yes, I am agree is not correct in standard English.
But why exactly?
Because agree is already a verb.
So we don't need am before it.
Correct.
Think about another verb. Okay,
We say I work.
I work.
We say I study.
I study.
We say I understand.
I understand.
And we say I agree.
Ah, I understand now.
Great.
We don't say I am work.
Correct.
We don't say I am study.
Correct.
So we also don't say I am agree.
Exactly.
That makes the grammar much clearer.
Now let's compare verbs and adjectives.
Okay.
I am happy.
Correct.
I am tired.
Correct.
I am hungry.
Correct.
I am ready.
Correct.
I agree.
Correct.
I am agree.
Incorrect.
Exactly.
I think this is becoming very easy.
That's what we want.
Can we explain why I am happy is correct?
Yes, happy is an adjective. We use am with the adjective happy.
And agree is a verb, so we don't use am.
Exactly.
I am happy.
Correct.
I agree.
Correct.
I am agree.
Incorrect.
Okay, I won't say it again.
Good idea.
What about I am agreeing?
That's different.
Really?
Yes, agreeing is the ing form of the verb agree.
So I am agreeing can be grammatically possible.
Yes, but it is not the normal sentence we use when simply saying we have the same opinion.
So if someone says something and I have the same opinion, I should simply say I agree.
Exactly.
I agree.
Perfect. Part 4. Real-life conversation practice. Now let's practice with real-life situations.
Great, I like this part.
Situation 1. Talking about food.
Let's go.
Sophia, I think pizza is one of the best foods in the world.
I agree.
You like pizza?
Of course, I love pizza.
What is your favorite pizza?
I like cheese pizza.
Only cheese?
Yes, simple is good.
I agree with you.
See, you used today's expression again.
Yes,
I think fresh food is better than fast food.
I agree with you.
Really?
Yes, fresh food can be a good choice.
Exactly.
Situation 2. Talking about English.
My favorite topic.
I think speaking English every day is important.
I completely agree.
I think listening to English is also important.
I agree with you.
I think making mistakes is okay.
I completely agree.
That's right.
Sometimes learners are afraid to speak because they are afraid of mistakes.
That's true.
But mistakes can help us learn.
I agree.
Great.
Situation 3. Talking about exercise.
Okay.
I think walking is a simple way to exercise.
I agree.
I think you don't need expensive equipment.
That's true.
You can walk in a park.
I agree with you.
You can also walk with a friend.
I completely agree.
You really like agreeing today.
I do.
Situation 4. Talking about movies.
I love movies.
I think comedy movies are fun.
I agree.
I think watching movies can also help English learners.
I agree with you, but learners should choose easy movies.
Good point.
Do you agree?
Yes, I completely agree.
Great.
Part 5. I agree versus I don't agree. Now let's learn one more useful expression.
What is it?
I don't agree.
So this means I have a different opinion.
Exactly.
I don't agree.
Good.
I don't agree with you.
Excellent.
Can we make a conversation?
Of course.
I think studying for 5 hours every day is necessary.
I don't agree.
Why?
I think short daily practice can also be useful.
That's interesting.
What do you think?
I agree with you.
Ha, good change.
Yes.
Let's try another one.
Okay.
I think everyone should wake up at 5 in the morning.
I don't agree.
Really?
Yes, 5 in the morning is too early for me.
That's fair.
What about you?
I agree that waking up early can be useful, but 5 is not necessary for everyone.
I agree with you.
Excellent.
So, I agree and I don't agree are both useful.
Exactly.
What about I disagree?
Great question.
Is that correct too?
Yes, I disagree is also correct.
I disagree.
Good.
Is it stronger than I don't agree?
It can sound a little more direct depending on the situation.
So, with friends, I don't agree can be very natural.
Yes,
And I disagree is also common.
exactly.
Part 6. Common beginner confusions.
Daniel, can we look at some similar mistakes?
Absolutely.
Sometimes learners know a word but don't know what kind of word it is.
That's very common.
For example, agree is a verb. Agree.
Agreement is a noun.
Agreement?
Yes, agreement means a shared opinion or decision.
For example, we reached an agreement.
Perfect.
So agree is the verb and agreement is the noun.
Exactly.
What about agreeable?
That's another word, but beginners don't need to focus on it today.
Good.
We don't want to make today's lesson too difficult.
Thank you.
Our goal is simple English.
I agree.
Perfect.
I think I will remember that sentence forever.
I hope so.
Can we practice more mistakes?
Yes.
Testing. I am agree with my friend.
Correcting. Say, I agree with my friend.
I agree with my friend.
Correct.
Testing. I agree my friend.
Almost. Say, I agree with my friend.
I agree with my friend.
Excellent.
Testing. I am agree with this idea.
Say, I agree with this idea.
I agree with this idea.
Perfect.
Testing. I agree with you.
Perfect.
I'm getting better.
You are.
Part 7. Pronunciation practice. Now let's practice pronunciation.
Great.
The word is agree.
Agree.
Good. The second part is stronger.
Agree.
Excellent.
Agree.
Again.
Agree.
Very good.
What about I agree?
I agree.
I agree.
Now say it naturally.
I agree.
Perfect.
I agree with you.
Very good.
I completely agree with you.
Excellent.
Should learners repeat these sentences aloud?
Yes. Don't only read them in your head.
Speak them.
Exactly.
Your mouth needs practice too.
That's true.
Listening is important, but speaking is important too.
I completely agree.
Perfect.
Part 8, quick quiz. Now it's quiz time.
Let's do it.
Question number 1.
I'm ready.
Which sentence is correct?
A. I am agree.
Or B, I agree?
Think carefully.
The answer is
B. I agree.
correct.
Great.
Question number 2.
Let's go.
Which sentence is correct?
A. I agree you.
Or B, I agree with you?
B. I agree with you.
Correct.
Nice.
Question number 3.
I'm listening.
Complete this sentence. She blank with me.
Agree?
Almost.
Oh, she agrees with me.
Exactly.
Remember, with he, she, and it, we usually add s to the verb in the present simple.
I agree.
She agrees.
They agree.
Great.
Question number 4.
Go ahead.
Which sentence means that you have the same opinion?
I agree.
Correct.
This is easy now.
That's what we wanted. Part 9. Listener Speaking Challenge. Now it is your turn, everyone.
Yes, please don't just listen.
Speak with us.
Repeat after me. I agree.
I agree.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I completely agree.
I completely agree.
I don't agree.
I don't agree.
I don't agree with you.
I don't agree with you.
Excellent.
Now make your own sentence.
Start with I agree that.
I agree that English is important.
I agree that practice is important.
I agree that listening helps English learners.
Now you make one.
Take a few seconds.
Think about something you agree with.
Then say it aloud.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Just speak.
Speaking a little every day can help you become more confident.
I completely agree. Part 10. Final review and ending. Wow, Sophia, that was a great conversation.
It really was.
Let's quickly review today's main lesson.
Okay.
Agree is a verb,
So we say I agree.
not I am agree.
I agree.
We can also say I agree with you.
I agree with you.
We can say I completely agree.
I completely agree.
And when we have a different opinion, we can say
I don't agree.
excellent.
Daniel, what is the most important thing learners should remember?
Remember that agree is a verb.
That's the key.
Don't be afraid of this mistake.
If you used to say I am agree, that's okay.
Now you know the correct form.
I agree.
Haha, perfect.
I really do.
And remember, making mistakes doesn't mean you're bad at English.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Notice them,
Correct them.
practice them.
And keep speaking.
What about you? What sentence will you practice today?
Write your sentence in the comments.
For example, I agree that learning English every day is useful.
We would love to read your answers.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video.
Subscribe to the Learn English channel for more easy English conversations.
Share this episode with someone who is learning English.
And keep practicing a little every day.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to keep going.
Sophia, did you enjoy today's lesson?
I completely enjoyed it.
And do you agree that this was a useful lesson?
I completely agree.
Excellent.
Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
Keep practicing.
And remember,
Say I agree.
not I am agree.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.